Nandito ako para tiyakin na yung aming ginagawa na fuel subsidy ay maayos kasi mag-start tayo today. Pero hindi lamang dito sa Metro Manila pero all over the country na ito. So, making sure na yung sistema ay maging maayos. So we are now providing 10,000 subsidy for each bus unit. Tapos yung method of payment, lahat ng klaseng method of payment pwede. We can do it via digital payment o mga GCash. You can go to the ATM. May mga card naman na may hawak naman, may card naman yung mga driver natin, at saka lahat ng operator nag-issue ng card. Pwedeng gamitin yun. Meron pa ring iilan na talagang gusto nila, ayaw nilang gawing digital. Kaya pwedeng mag-issue ng cheque at kung talagang kahit cash, pwede pa rin. Pero siguro, mas maginhawa, it's easier, it's more practical pag as much as possible ang gagawin natin ay digital payment. So, we are, tulungan nyo naman kami para yung mga ating riding public ay hindi masyadong mahirapan unang-una at hindi sila masyadong mabigatan sa pamasahe dahil nga alam naman natin kung ano yung pangyayari. Nagbabago yung presyo ng langis all over the world. Kaya ito ang response ng pamahalaan. And of course, we are always in need of assistance and support and cooperation with the operators, with the drivers, yung buong sistema. So this is what we are doing here now. We are having the briefing now from the OTR. Tinignan namin ang mga facilities. So far, mukha namang maayos. So let's just keep the system going. Tignan natin how it works. Kung merong maging problema, o kung merong sa palagay ninyo maging mas magandang sistema or to make it easier, make it faster, make it more convenient for you, for the riding public, sabihan nyo kami. And kung palagay namin, kaya namin gawin para pagandahin pa ang sistema, please tell us. Dahil ang gusto natin is as convenient as possible, as easy as possible, at as quick, yung mabilis as possible. Dahil araw-araw nagbabago, kaya kailangan makapag-respond din kami. So, with the cooperation, ako malakas ang loob ko sabihin na basta't nagtutulungan tayo, yung private sector at saka kayong mga operator at saka kami in government, sana maging hindi na yung pakiramdam ng ating riding public. Yun ang ating mga siniservisyohan. Matiyak natin na maging maayos ang kanilang pagbiyahe. So, thank you all for being part of the solution at patuloy natin gagawin ito hanggat kailangan. Maraming salamat. Good morning sa inyong lahat.
Mr. President, ayan na po yung